What's up, everybody? It's J Mac, and welcome to Bigfoot Input. If you haven't heard yet, we are creating a new channel called Cryptic Input. So if you're a fan of dark crime, dark paranormal, we will be adding new videos over there soon. So please go drop us a subscribe. And also, our merch store is up and running. The link is also in the bio, so please check that out. And we have memberships now, so if you want to be part of the Cool Kids Club, stop over. It's $1.99 a month, and become a member of the channel. All right, thank you. So that being said, let's get on to this video that everybody's talking about. This is a 17-second video. This is the zoomed in version. We're gonna watch this a few times. Last time I was chastised for using the word analyze, so we're not analyzing this video, we're just watching it and talking about it, okay? But I mean, it's a cool creature, if nothing else, you know, like whatever, it looks neat. I mean, it's pretty terrifying. I wouldn't want to encounter it. So, everyone is screaming AI. AI, right? Or CGI. Saying the movements are off for various reasons. There's a few things. This is the zoomed out version, the full version. This is obviously outside of someone's porch or something. So a couple things that give me pause are that absolutely none of the foliage in the shot moves at all at any given point in time. Not that I have seen. The other thing that gives me pause are its hands. They also do not move. Which is strange to me, though. Like, does that prove that it's fake, or does it help prove that it's real? Because if you watch this video close enough, you're going to see this creature's mouth move. He kind of looks like he's chewing something. Right about here. Right there. So, and then of course the other thing that gives me pause is that weird little aura over his left arm as he flings it back. I don't know if that could be just part of the camera, part of filming. I'm not sure, honestly. So let's squash this real quick. A lot of people are saying that this is associated with the 911 call in Las Vegas, where the guy describes two alien beings standing outside of his house looking at them. And so let's squash that right now. This is not associated with that. But we're going to watch this video in slow motion and just see what we can see, you know? I mean, I see some muscle definition. Like actual muscle movement. And he seems to be like picking something up off the ground and eating it. Like, I don't know, like bugs or something? It's weird. And he's going to fling his head. Hey, watch his arm. Boom. There's like, see that? There's some sort of like cast over his left arm. I don't know, guys. This one's perplexing me. Like I said, I know everyone's screaming CGI. I am not willing to get on that boat as of yet. All I can say is if this creature is real, I hope that I never encounter it. Alright, guys. That's it for me. J Mac, out.